Are you looking to bring music into your baby, toddler, or preschooler's life a little bit more? Well, I've got a little quick song for you that you can do at home, at the playground, or when you're driving in your car, things like that. And it's especially fun with some props. So this week in our music class, we've been using the song called I'm Rolling Through the Wonderful World. And it just has some really great meaning to it. And I'm going to sing the song for you in a variety of ways. And what's great about this song, it's what we call in early childhood music a utility song. So you can just change the verb and use it for whatever purpose you're doing. So for example, we would do a little bouncing song in class. So if you are waiting for the doctor's office, or if you're like bouncing at home with your little baby, you could do this song. All right, so we start in class with a little bouncing song, and it goes like this. I'm bouncing, I'm bouncing, I'm bouncing through the wonderful world. I'm bouncing through the wonderful world. So you're bouncing with your baby, right? Or your toddler or preschooler. And then we're gonna go twice as fast, okay? So building some basic math skills. So you can go twice as fast or alternate legs, however you wanna do the twice as fast bouncing. And then we do, I'm rocking, I'm rocking, I'm rocking through the wonderful world. I'm rocking through the wonderful world. And then we would do some bouncing again. So that's a great way to do bouncing with your baby, toddler, or preschooler. Then we would move on to doing something with fine motor skills. So in class this week, we've been focusing on the jingle bells. So I love these. These are brand new. I love the sound. It's nice and jingly. So if you have some jingle bells or another shaking instrument, egg shakers work great. You could go, I'm shaking, I'm shaking, I'm shaking through the wonderful world. I'm shaking through the wonderful world. And of course you can do, I'm tapping. And if you're tapping your sticks, you can tap this way. You can tap the metal side. You can tap the long side. You can tap the short end or one of each, right? So however you'd like to do some tapping, and then of course you can do some rolling, you can do some rubbing, you can tap your child's jingles, all different ways that you can use your jingles together. All right, so that's one way you can do that. And then of course, we love our hula hoops. These are great for some vocabulary development, in, out, around, and through. So much fun to do with your little one. So in class, and they're the perfect size for, toddlers and preschoolers, and little babies can reach the top too. So you can do lots of things together. So in class we would do, I'm bouncing, I'm like that. And then you can do, I'm rolling, and then I'm driving, and then you can go, I'm in and out, or you could put it on the ground and go in and out that way. Through the wonderful world, I'm in and out, through the wonderful world. It's also really fun if you face your child and you can go back and forth and rock together. That one's a fun one too. Or you can be inside your hoop with your little one and go back and forth. So lots of ways you can bond with your child through this song and with the hoops. All right, and then my last example, I've got two kinds of drums. This is our great big gathering drum. So the little babies and toddlers love to sit on this and we would drum, and it makes a really good sound. So they can do, I'm sitting on the wonderful world, right? And then of course you can do loud and quiet, and I'll demonstrate that with my buffalo drum here. This one's really nice because it's got a little handhold, so it's great for teaching. I'm drumming, I'm drumming, I'm drumming through the wonderful world. I'm drumming, I'm drumming through the wonderful world. So when your child is doing that nice steady beat, they can do the big beats, okay? So macro beats and micro beats, basic math skills again. I'm drumming. You could use the words I'm drumming. You can also go, I'm loud. and I'm loud, or I'm quiet, or I'm screechy scratch. All right, so lots of different ways that you can use this song. I hope you had fun. We did some bouncing songs today. We did some jingle bells. We did some hoops and some drums. So go ahead and have fun with your baby toddler preschooler, and we'll see you at a music class very soon.